In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up measurement protocol in Google Analytics 4. To make your measurement protocol implementation useful, you'll want a clean way to isolate and review the server-side events you send. We'll do that by configuring a comparison in GA4 so you can quickly filter reports to the exact events and attributes you care about during implementation and validation. Start by opening analytics.google.com in your browser and signing into the account that holds your GA4 property. If you manage multiple properties, make sure the correct one is selected from the property picker at the top. This ensures every change you make applies to the right place. Next, head to the admin area by clicking the gear icon in the lower left corner of the interface. The admin screen is where you control property level configuration, so take a second to confirm you're in the intended property column before moving on. In the admin menu, find the data display section and click comparisons. Comparisons let you apply on-the-fly filters across many reports, which is perfect for validating measurement protocol events without rebuilding custom reports each time. Click New Comparison to create a fresh configuration. You'll start by selecting a dimension. A dimension is an attribute you want to filter by, such as event name, event parameter, stream, source medium, or device category. Choose the one that aligns with how you plan to identify your measurement protocol hits. For example, if your server sends a specific event name, that's a good place to start. Now choose a match type. This tells GA4 how to interpret your filter. Equals is best when you expect an exact value. Contains is great when you're matching part of a string. Begins with and ends with are helpful for structured values. Pick the option that best fits the data you'll send. Enter the value you want to match. Use the exact spelling and casing your events will use so the filter works reliably. When in doubt, keep it simple and precise. Add a new condition to further narrow your view, then select another dimension. This is useful if you want to combine filters such as an event name plus a specific stream or source. Again, choose the match type that fits your data pattern and provide the value you intend to monitor. Stacking conditions helps you zero in on exactly the traffic generated by your measurement protocol setup. When everything looks right, click Save. Give your comparison a clear descriptive name so you can easily apply it across reports later. With this in place, you'll be able to quickly focus your GA4 reporting on the server-side events you send via measurement protocol and confirm they're arriving as expected.